In this video, I will show you how to get NFL Shop free shipping code. Oftentimes, you can simply find it on their website. If you simply search for NFL Shop, then click on the URL. Right at the top of the screen, you can see free shipping on orders over $39 and the code for it. In case it is not in their main website, what you can do is simply search for NFL Shop promo code. If you scroll down below, you can see the NFL Shop link. Here in the website description, you can see free shipping on orders over $39. Use code FSNFL. You can use that code as well, or simply click on the URL. And if there are any free shipping promo codes, you can simply see it listed down here. For now, there is this $39 one. Simply copy the code. Then you can use it and apply it for your next purchase. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.